Hello, so I thought I'd start with a really quick little review. I know we covered all this, but just in case you need it for a reference, here it is. So I've got I've got a sketch right here. Really simple, okay? Two functions, the same functions that always appear if you start a new sketch. I've got setup, I've got loop, and of course all I'm doing right now is running hello world, and you can see it coming out here. And it's repeating every second. So I've got a delay of 1,000 milliseconds, or 1 second. Okay? And everything's great. And I can say whatever. I can say Brian Patton. And if I load this, it's going to change from hello world to Brian Patton. Okay? And we've seen this. We've done this. And the other thing we've done is create a function. So just a simple void function. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it right there. And I'm going to call this my name. Alright, and I'm going to rename this right here, my name. And then I'm simply going to call my name inside the loop right here. So my name, open close parentheses, semicolon, I'm going to tidy my code. And if I run this, you should see it do the exact same thing, because what's happening now is within the loop, it's simply calling my new function, my name. Okay? And if I create another function, let's see, I'll say something like I work. Alright, and I'll say I teach science. Okay, so I'm going to call this my work. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I'll just call my work, and then I'll show you what happens. So now I've got two functions. Okay. And you can see that it's going to call my name first, and then my work. And you're going to see them pop up. Okay? Now let's convince ourselves it's really going in sequence. I'm actually going to create a third function here, and I'm simply going to call it just space. Notice I'm using camelback, lowercase first, and then the second word is uppercase, all camelback. And what I'm going to do here is I'm simply going to do the space. I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to delete that. And what I'm going to do is delete the space there and delete the space there. Okay? So what you're going to see is that if I put just space, okay? So what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and it's going to print my name, my work, and then just space. So we're going to see my name. There we go. And then a space. Okay? And to prove it's going in sequence, let's just flip this order. So I'm going to Command X this. And I'm going to put it right here. And now you're going to see it's going to be, instead of my name and I teach science, it's going to be I teach science and then my name. And then we're going to do a space. Okay? Alright, so now you can see how easy it is to create simple void functions. And then they get called within the loop, and they get called in the sequence starting from top to bottom. So if I have it this way, it's going to go to my work first, then jump back up, and then do my name, and then ignore this, and then it's going to call just space, and just space does nothing more than print that dead space. Okay? So hopefully this was a short, easy review, and I hope you're done with it, and we'll move on. So I'll see you soon.